Eating healthy on a budget is possible with a little planning and smart choices. Start by making a shopping list before heading to the grocery store, and stick to it. Avoid buying unnecessary items or impulse purchases when selecting fruits and vegetables. Opt for seasonal produce as they tend to be more affordable and fresher. Frozen fruits and vegetables are also a good cost-effective alternative when it comes to protein. Consider plant-based options like beans, lentils, and tofu. They are not only nutritious, but also cheaper than meat. Canned fish like tuna or salmon is another economical choice. Buy staple foods in bulk, such as rice, pasta, and whole grains like oats. They can be ingredients for various healthy meals. Taking advantage of promotions and discounts will further maximize your savings. Cooking at home is key to healthy eating on a budget. Prepare meals in larger batches and freeze leftovers for later use. This will save you time and money. Additionally, avoid eating out frequently as it can quickly drain your wallet. Lastly, try to limit processed foods and sugary drinks. They are often more expensive, less nutritious, and can lead to health issues. Instead, opt for homemade snacks and infused water for hydration. By making mindful choices, you can enjoy a healthy and balanced diet without breaking the bank. Remember, planning, smart shopping, and simple cooking techniques are the keys to achieving healthy eating on a budget.